Hi, today I'm for the Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the home screen with our finger, then tap here to widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all of the applications which widgets you could add. Tap for example to calendar application, and here we could see that we got two different types of the widget. To add widget to your home screen, you should just hold it and drag it. If you want to move widget on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to remove it from the home screen, hold for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.